A young boy with a heart full of adventure plans a daring quest for his father's special day. A colorful parrot absorbs the ways of the seafaring buccaneers, unknowingly setting a mischievous course in motion. A band of eager explorers, swathed in fabric swords and eye patches, wanders off the intended path, misled by a feathered master of chaos. Young minds unite to unravel the enigma hidden within ancient words, seeking to correct the parrot's unintended misdirection. Determined hands unearth the buried secrets of the past, unearthing a chest brimming with long-forgotten wealth. Gleaming treasures spill forth, illuminating the dusty ground in a cascade of wealth beyond imagination. A young boy's world expands with the knowledge of his ancestral ties to a legendary pirate of old, unlocking secrets buried deep within his bloodline. Hearts intertwine in a moment of shared discovery and elation as a father and son bond over a legacy steeped in tales of the high seas. A feathered companion asserts his presence, a mischievous spark in his eye, hinting at a deeper connection to the swashbuckling adventures of old.